let's talk about multi-step multiplication problems using the draw a diagram strategy. Here's our first problem. Caesar planted 5 rows of peppers with 12 pepper plants in each row. In the first 2 rows, there are 5 red pepper plants. All the other plants are green peppers. How many of the peppers are green peppers? Step 1. What do I need to find out? The question asks, how many of the peppers are green peppers? So I need to find the total number of green pepper plants. Next, I'm going to draw a diagram. I have 5 rows with 12 in each row to show my 5 rows of 12 pepper plants. In the first 2 rows, there are 5 red pepper plants. So in my first row, I'll show 5 red pepper plants. And in my second row, I will also show 5 red pepper plants. The rest are green peppers. Now I'm going to use my diagram to solve. My total number of peppers is 5 rows times 12 in each row, which is 60 total peppers. My number of red peppers is 2 rows with 5 in each row. So that's a total of 10 red peppers. So now I need to take my total number of peppers, which again was 5 rows of 12, which is 60 total peppers, and I need to subtract my number of red peppers, which was 2 times 5. I had 10 total red peppers. So I'll take my total number of peppers, subtract my 10 red peppers to get a total number of 50 green pepper plants. Let's practice another problem. Mr. Smith set up 6 rows of 10 chairs for the class party. The first 4 chairs on rows 1 through 5 are for students in the class. The rest are for guests. How many chairs are there for guests? The first step, I need to ask myself, what do I need to find out? The question asks, how many chairs are there for guests? I need to find the total number of chairs for guests. Next, I'm going to draw a diagram. I have 6 rows with 10 chairs in each row. The first 4 chairs on rows 1 through 5 are for students. So in my first row, I'm going to draw 4 chairs for students. On my second row, I'll draw 4 chairs for students. On my third row, I'll draw 4 chairs for students. On my fourth row, I'll draw 4 chairs for students. And on my fifth row, I'll draw 4 chairs for students. Now I'm going to use the diagram to solve. First, I need to know the total number of chairs in the class. I'm going to multiply my 6 rows with 10 chairs in each row. That gives me 60 total chairs in the classroom. To find out the number of student chairs, I need to multiply 5 rows times 4 student chairs. So 5 times 4 equals 20. Now I'm trying to find out the total number of chairs for guests. So I need to take my total number of chairs, which I found was 6 rows of 10. So I had 60 total chairs. And I need to subtract the number of chairs reserved for students. So my student chairs, I had 5 rows with 4 in each row, so I had 20 student chairs. So my 60 total chairs minus my 20 student chairs leaves me with 40 chairs for my guests. And this concludes our lesson on multi-step multiplication problems.